Silipin naman po natin ang ribbon cutting ceremony para po sa inaugurasyon ng bagong Eco Bridge Retrofit Project sa Ortigas Avenue sa San Juan City na pinangunahan ni MMA Chairman Attorney Romando Artes. Kasama si Mayor Francis Zamora. Panoorin po natin ito.
Formal lang binuksan ang kauna-unahang Eco Bridge Retrofit Project na kaugnay ng isang pribadong sektor sa pakikipagtulungan ng MMDA at ng local government ng San Juan City. Ang proyektong ito ay naglalayong mabigyan ng halaga at gamit ang mga plastic waste na itinuturing na non-recyclables upang mabigyan ng solusyon ang malaking problema sa basura na kinaharap ng ating bansa.
Plastic is always considered mass-produced, easily thrown, easily disposable. We want to prove that different. We do everything by hand, kind of to try and honor the whole system that exists, from the waste picker at the MRF, because that's how it is. You use it, you tear this sachet open by hand, and you throw it away by hand. And someone has to dive into the trash and pick that by hand, sort it by hand, clean it by hand. And all the way through, we decided that we were also going to honor that same tradition and put it back into something valuable, also by hand.
Ang Pilipinas ang nangungunang bansa sa buong mundo na may pinakamaraming plastic waste emissions na umabot sa 3.30 kilograms kada tao. Higit sa 350,000 na tonelada ng basurang plastic ang pumapasok sa karagatan mula sa Pilipinas taon-taon. Ito ay kumakatawan sa 36% ng kabuang plastic waste ng mundo ayon sa pag-aaral.
The Philippines is set up to look like a problem because we are a big part of the problem. We're a leaky jar and we leak our plastic waste into the world, and it's easy for us to look like the problem. But I believe because it's within the Filipino spirit, something here that you see everywhere, remedyo. The art of remedyo. There's always a way. May paraan parate. Nagpaparaan. I believe that the biggest source of the problem by 2025 hopefully can also be the biggest source of a solution. We really hope that we can be adopted as a program throughout the LGUs because we want actually to create a whole ecosystem where we take their trash and their trash beautifies their locale. We want to work with each and every single barangay and actually create pilot programs in each of them so that they can create industries there. It's not something that we want to cordon off. This is something I think that we all have to do, that we all have to be a part of.
Ang Eco Bridge Retrofit Project ay isang patunay na sa tamang kooperasyon ng gobyerno at pribadong sektor, maaari tayong makahanap ng mga solusyon para sa mga hamon sa ating kapaligiran.